Here's a curry pakora recipe for you to try. Let me know if you do. So what you're going to need is 3 cloves of garlic, some cumin seeds, some fennel seeds, and then you'll need some oil, some salt. Now I've got Himalayan salt, pink salt and table salt in there. You'll need some chili powder and some yogurt mixed with water just to thin it out. I've used Pakiza yogurt, but whatever yogurt you use, it's up to you. Put some oil in a pan, saute some garlic, slice these thinly so it's easier to cook. Add your cumin seeds and your fennel seeds and saute them lightly until the garlic is light brown. Give that a good mix. Now add some water. You've got to be careful. This will splatter, so you'll need your lid. Put the lid on quick so you don't get burned. I'm going to add the spices. So that the chili powder going in, the first tablespoon and the second tablespoon. Now cook that through. Add your gram flour. Now the more gram flour you add, the thicker your sauce will be. I like it thin, so I've only added about a tablespoon here. Cook that through until you can't smell the gram flour and it's cooked nicely. Add a bit of water so it doesn't burn, and then you're going to add your yogurt and water mixture into this. Keep stirring until your arm falls off. Only joking. Keep stirring so it doesn't split. If you stop, it will split. I'm adding some salt. Now the amount of salt you add depends on the tartness of your yogurt. So I'm adding about a tablespoon into this. I know there's half, but I put in some more later. Mix that in. Keep mixing until it bubbles. Make sure you don't stop mixing because it will split and the dish will be ruined. And that's it, done. And you can enjoy this with some roti or whatever, naan, whatever you prefer. Enjoy. If you have a cold, this is the best thing to clear your sinuses.